And tonight we are eating at the Stone Crab, fantastic seafood restaurant here in the Keys. Not a seafood eater, but these fine folks over here like the seafood, so they'll take care of that. Let's see what it's like. Okay, loving the atmosphere here at the Stone Crab. We're sitting outside on the patio, and you just saw the view of where, well, it looks like kayaks and a bit of a canal behind me. If you can see there, it's got a bar, indoor seating. Let's see what the food's like. This is Paul, the owner of the Stone Crab, and he's feeding Shadow.
Every year it's the same thing. He acts like, I never get fed. By the end, when he leaves to leave here, he's pretty big. So he's our resident.
I love it. And so you feed these guys, Paul?
Yeah, and you'll see a lot of the... Watch out for the bigger ones when they come up.
Wow. Okay, totally excited. We are about to go out on those paddle boards out in the night with some LED underneath it. I totally have no idea if it'll show up or whatever, but woo! Let's go. Here I am, I'm on the water in a light up kayak. Freaking cool. Here we go. Looking underneath the water. Is there anything there? Jerry, you are hitting my machine.
I'm hitting you from behind, girl.
Jerry's hitting me. It's hitting me. I gotta just...
He's really pretty. Cassiopeia here. You want me to put it underneath your kayak?
Oh, that'd be cool. Get a little light. Let's see if he'll go under there. He is. Yeah. How big was that fish?
It was like 6 feet long.
It was awful.